The Book of Proverbs, chapter 24. The 19th saying: Don't be envious of evil people, and don't try to make friends with them. Causing trouble is all they ever think about. Every time they open their mouth, someone is going to be hurt. The 20th saying: Homes are built on the foundation of wisdom and understanding. Where there is knowledge, the rooms are furnished with valuable, beautiful things. The 21st saying: Being wise is better than being strong. Yes, knowledge is more important than strength. After all, you must make careful plans before you fight a battle. And the more good advice you get, the more likely you are to win. The 22nd sayings: Wise sayings are too deep for stupid people to understand. They have nothing to say when important matters are being discussed. The 23rd saying: If you are always planning evil, you will earn a reputation as a troublemaker. Any scheme a fool thinks up is sinful. People hate a person who has nothing but scorn for others. The 24th saying: If you are weak in a crisis, you are weak indeed. The 25th saying: Don't hesitate to rescue someone who is about to be executed unjustly. You may say that is none of your business, but God knows and judges your motives. He keeps watch on you. He knows, and He will reward you according to what you do. The 26th saying: Son, eat honey. It is good, and just as honey from the comb is sweet on your tongue. You may be sure that wisdom is good for the soul. Get wisdom, and you will have a bright future. The 27th saying: Don't be like the wicked, who scheme to rob honest people or to take away their homes. No matter how often honest people fall, they always get up again. But disaster destroys the wicked. The 28th saying: Don't be glad when your enemies meet disaster, and don't rejoice when they stumble. The Lord will know if you are gloating, and He will not like it. And then He might not punish them. The 29th saying: Don't let evil people worry you. Don't be envious of them. A wicked person has no future, nothing to look forward to. The 30th saying: Have reverence for the Lord, my child, and honor the King. Have nothing to do with people who rebel against them. Such people could be ruined in a moment. Do you realize the disaster that God or the King can cause? More wise saying: The wise have also said these things. It is wrong for judges to be prejudiced. If they pronounce a guilty person innocent, they will be cursed and hated by everyone. Judges who punish the guilty, however, will be prosperous and enjoy a good reputation. An honest answer is a sign of true friendship. Don't build your house and establish a home until your fields are ready and you are sure that you can earn a living. Don't give evidence against someone else without good reason or say misleading things about him. Don't say, I will do to him just what he did to me. I will get even with him. I walked through the fields and vineyards of a lazy, stupid person. They were full of thorn bushes and overgrown with weeds. The stone wall around them had fallen down. I looked at this, thought about it, and learned a lesson from it. Have a nap and sleep if you want to. Fold your hands and rest a while. But while you are asleep, poverty will attack you like an armed robber.